Yeah, let's take a look. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, Murphy. Oh, yeah. Well, that should be just enough.
A little sliced. Nice, so it's gonna be beauty. This is the point. There's 2 points here, so it's got a beautiful grain in it. Was it the flat? No, it looks like it. Yeah.
Oh, you guys, sir.
One of them. All right, cheers, my friend.
Oh, look at that. Smoky Joe. What's cooking?
Seasoning up some ribs with
some ribs.
poultry powder. That's remarkable. Oh yeah, it's supposed to be sweet.
No, I mix them up, they're good.
Mix them up.
Yeah, hell yeah, I mix them up all the time.
Hey, Smokey.
Yeah.
What does it mean to you to be a pit boy?
Oh, it means the world. Being a pit boy is
Like-
life, man.
You're like family, man. You're like
Living,
family.
man. I love you guys.
Oh, I love you, man.
BBQ Pit Boys for life, man.
All right, brother.
Look at this. I mean, come on, man. Speak for itself.
All right, man.
We're going to take some very expensive butter. The knob there. The knob there. All ramped up. That's gold. We're going to put the mustard. You're the mustard guy. And then season it.
Tied it up.
What's up, Brett?
You guys aren't gonna wrestle again today, are you?
Yeah, we are.
No, Jermaine's to be too busy cooking, man. He's like
It's gonna be later on.
We're gonna be later on. We're gonna have a
Later on.
Royal Rumble, like Royal Rumble, like where they all everybody comes in the ring, and then Jermaine would just pick us all up and throw us up in the air. Like, get out of here.
I got him!
Pork butt. Butt. Pork butt.
Actually, We're gonna put the pork over the pork.
The pork over the pork. Thumbs up.
Gonna be a fun day today.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Jesus, Murphy. Oh yeah. That should be just enough.
We got a porchetta wrapped up stuff. Some St. Louis cut ribs. We got a couple of flat point briskets, and we got a pork butt. Beauties, eh?
Oh yeah.
We got chicken and sausage, Italian sausage. We got all our ribs cut up. Lots of ribs. That's the porchetta. And then we got our briskets here. They're yet to be opened. We want them bang on. Alright. They should be closed. Using our smoky whiskey.
House of sausage. I got my barbecue shoes on. Going down to the house.
Put even on a chicken. Oh yeah. Dripping underneath, that's okay. There's another. Back here.
Brisket. Got my barbecue shoes on. Got my natural taste. Got the hogs on the run. Bib, gonna mix some sauce. Rap on the lay, baby, show you who's boss. Got my skin in my hair, baby, I don't care.